In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit Jimdo website. So the first thing you have to do here, you want to go to the Projects tab, select the website you want to edit, click on Actions, and click on Edit. Whenever you do this, it's going to open up the editor for your specific website, and there we go, you can edit whatever you want in here. Now, first you have the Edit Website button here on the left, which will allow you to change anything over here on the website. So, for example, I'm currently on my first page in the gallery. I could go ahead and hop over to Home, Events, Theme, whatever you want. And in here, you can change whatever by just basically clicking on it. So I can just click on, for example, over here, like where it says Gallery, and I could just type in like Photos, and I can change it like this. I could change the buttons, the links to buttons. I could change the images by clicking on them and just selecting, choosing images and replacing them. I could go ahead and add different blocks here with different contents, and there's a bunch of different things you can do. Now here, it's also going to open up this companion AI, which is going to allow you to basically add different blocks in by just clicking on them like this, as you can see, which is very, very convenient indeed. And then you can, of course, just edit like this. Now, of course, I do think that's pretty self-explanatory, so there's no much need to explaining. That's how you can edit this. You can just click on whatever, change it, you can move it around, you could basically change its formatting, stuff like that. And then you can go to Design over here on the left, where you can edit your color palette for your website. So, for example, let's just do, I'm going to change this one, and I'm going to go a bit crazy, and I'm going to go towards this red side, and then, of course, you can completely change that and change your color palettes on your website. You could also click like that over here, and it's going to change. And yeah, that's how you can do that. And then you also have other things in here, such as your text. You can change fonts, the font sizes, button shapes, the scrolling animations, so you have a bunch of different things here. You also have pages where you can reorganize different pages here. So if I want, for example, gallery to go down to the bottom, there we go. This has been now rearranged. And of course, you can also see the system pages down here at the bottom, where you can edit these pages that usually are located down here at the bottom. So that's how we do that. And then you have the domains. So whenever your website has been published, you could go ahead and get a domain here. So as you can see, I currently have their free domain, but of course you could upgrade your plan and get a custom one for your website. You could help get discovered on, for example, Google on a search engine by clicking over here. And you can also see different other settings you can basically set by clicking the settings button. Now, of course, those are kind of all the things you can do. Just go ahead, play around with it, and edit your website to however you want it to be. And then at the end, don't forget to save it by publishing it, and of course preview it in between to see if everything is however you want it to be. So that's pretty much how we do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.